Here in the Asia Pacific region and Asia more broadly, it really is arguably the bedrock of manufacturing for the world and will remain so for many decades to come. And so there are great examples that we can leverage of the use of this technology elsewhere in this region to augment and improve efficiency in the manufacturing process. We're seeing early examples of advanced manufacturing using 5G connectivity across a manufacturing campus to augment and uplift productivity. So you can start to bring in tools like virtual reality at the manufacturing site to help workers with their actual output to improve the quality and improve the connectivity. You have better asset tracking and security of assets around a campus site as well. And of course, 5G has a really important role to play in boosting and increasing health and safety across manufacturing sites also. Australia has a great opportunity to transform manufacturing as an industry in this country. In fact, it needs to in order to grow that portion of our economy. And they need to do it with technology such as 5G that it can help them to achieve what we do best, which is bring innovation and capability together hand in hand to create new products and services for the global market.